Buenos dias amigos, 7:30, we are starting this new video by fixing a flat tire. Fortunately, the front wheel has the trouble. It's much easier to fix the front wheel than the back wheel. First action, you need to unmount everything. Removing the tire from the wheel is the most difficult. Then super important, check the tire. Here. So by passing your finger inside the tire, you can feel the spine, and here we have it. This is a super important detail because if you don't care about it, you will pinch as soon as you fix the tire. It's always better to fix than to buy a new one, but in this case the hole is pretty big and there is already several rusting on it. So I'm gonna put a new one. Very important to always have a new air chamber with you. 10 to 9. Artacus is now ready to Albacete. 18 kilometers to go. 10 a.m. Albacete reach. So now my priority will be the coffee and then after find a place to sleep tonight. 12 Super Pension Victoria. Everything is drying now. Hola mi amigo, 22 April 2025. Last video was 48 hours ago because I stopped in Albacete for refill provision and to care a little bit about the bicycle. Major work performed on the bike was to change the V-brake pattern. They were pretty used, especially the front one. I keep the back one as it was. Now we are in Casas de Lázaro and we are heading to the Natural Park de las Sierras de Cazorla. Good news, we already did 50 kilometers and only 25 kilometers left for today to reach the camp. Bad news, it's a little bit rainy today, but never mind, I have good protections. The wind protection of my microphone got pretty badly scratched, so I hope the sound quality will not decrease so much. Yesterday I spent a lot of time searching a new one, but it was clearly mission impossible. No success. So I'll try to sew it a little bit later. 5 p.m. After 72 kilometers and 7 meters gain elevation, we reach the camping Sierra de la Penascola. So it's mountain, it's super beautiful. I'm glad that this day was going smooth and not so windy as the previous one. Big surprise! For control reason, the Spanish government set a new control. You need to scan a QR code when you checking in campings and hotel. So, whoa! Until where they gonna go? 10 euro, super good price. First action, setting the tent. Campment set. Second action, fix the microphone. Echo to Bravo, do you copy? Test small wind. Test strong wind. Test was successful. It's almost the same as it was before. Third action will be to take a shower. Buenos dias amigos. Good news, the sky today is blue, blue, blue. Bad news, it's already 10:30 and we are about to leave, so it's a bit late to start the day. A mountain day because there is around 1000 meters gain elevation. Now it's 10 to 1 and we did only 250 meters gain elevation, so we are running pretty late. But the weather is beautiful and the Sierra is super nice. 2 p.m. The area is really nice. Very mountainous also, up and down all the time. So you have a small break, banana break. 4 p.m. Riopar.
Churning, I leave the past. Chain humming like a rebel song. On the bike again, where I belong. On the bike again, flying free. Chasing the sun, it's just me. The road unwinding, no end in sight. On the bike again, under endless light. Like my own. Down I soar like a comet's burn. The wheels will always find their
So we are now in a super beautiful place, and there is still 18 kilometers to do. So basically this is the super combo. You tired and you are in a nice place. So you keep on stopping everywhere and you're not going much forward. .6 kilometers from the arrival. 2.9 kilometers from the arrival. No progress, still 2.9 kilometers from the arrival. 2 kilometers from the arrival. 1 kilometer from the arrival. Surprise, the camping is closed. But there is a camping in front of it and it's possible to set a tent for one night. 1.5 hours before the sunset. So let's enjoy the little details and maybe I go back to Siles to have a proper meal there. Here we go, the perfect place for a one night wild camp. Now let's use the special trick. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, campment set. See you tomorrow, guys, for the next adventure. Buenos dias, amigos. 20 past 8. Super wild camp in front of the camping. Yesterday at the end we did 1100 meters gain elevation, so today is gonna be more relaxful. 35 km plan with 400 meters gain elevation. So let's unpack everything and let's go on the bike again. Here we go, on the bike again, let's go for 36 kilometers.
Bag at dawn, chasing sunsets where he's not gone.
Here we go, arrival to the camping Montiliana successful. Let's now check if it's open. The gate is open, first good news. (20 past 2). Only 10 euros, the camping is open and there is no one. So I have the full camping for myself. Success! Hola mi amigo, after the small coffee, 10:30, and today we are heading to the camping La Puente de las Herrerias. It's about 50 kilometers from here with 800 meters gain elevation. On the bike again!
We wheels spinning on the open road. Day 74, here we go for 52 kilometers, 800 meters, gain elevation. Each pedal stroke, a climb to the sky, chasing horizons where dreams never die. On the bike again, wind cuts like a blade, through valleys and peaks, paths we've made. Gain elevation, height 100 meters, clouds climb higher, my friend, Artacus. On the bike again, no and no bend. Sweat drips down like a racing stream, pushing the limits, chasing the dream. Colors of dawn light up the view, feeling alive while the sky splits blue. On the bike again, wind cuts like a blade, through valleys and peaks, paths we've made. Gain elevation, height 100 meters, clouds climb higher, my friend, Artacus. On the bike again, no and no bend, no and no bend. Breathless, I fly past the earth below. Legs burn, but my spirit won't slow. Mountains whisper, you're nearly there. Every twist, a story in the air. On the bike again, wind cuts like a blade, through valleys and peaks, paths we've made. Gain elevation, height 100 meters, clouds climb higher, my friend, Artacus. On the bike again, no and no bend.
Half past 2, 17 kilometers left. It's time to have a refreshing break. Here we go. A far relative from Artacus. Brrr. We are now in the 10 last kilometers. 400 meters gain elevation left. I spotted a shortcut in the mountain, but it started by some stairs, so a little bit definitely too violent to do it with a loaded bicycle. So I go for the normal road. Last push to the summit camp. Key point of the day, the camping. I saw some tent, I saw some people, so there is a huge probability that the camp will be open. Puente de los Herrerias is open. Campment set efficiently, and a little bonus. We have the nice river just behind it, so super nice place. See you tomorrow, guys, for the next adventure. Nine AM, buenos dias amigos. Today is the last day in the Parc Natural de las Cazorlas, and we will go through a super bucolic path. Only 30 kilometers, but in a way that it's not very used, only bicycle can pass by there. So I can't wait to be on the bike again. The Guadalquivir river, and at some point today we should pass by the nacimiento of the Guadalquivir. So literally it means where the Guadalquivir born. This day will be definitely one of the most mountainous of this bike trip. So let's go! Since few kilometers, we are riding with nice Jesus from Spain.
Hi guys.
Success! We reached the Nacimiento del Guadalquivir.
This river goes across Jaén, Córdoba, Sevilla, Cádiz, Huelva, and it's very important because the world civilization, like the Romans, the Muslim, went through this river up to conquest the cities.
Some progress is ongoing. Here is the road where we passed by just before. And here is the mountain, big mountain. Ten to 3, peak point of this day reach, altitude 2070 meters. So now it's gonna be downhill until the camp. In the background we can see the Sierra Nevada with a little bit of snow. A shortcut through walking GR. So 200 meters gain elevation more, and we are about 10 kilometers from the arrival. I will need to pass through this wall, and this will be the last big obstacle of today. 5:15, the shortcut is becoming a detour, but we have a nice view, and there we have the wall that I thought it was the last uphill, but at the end it wasn't. So let's keep on. Half past 6. This descent was definitely the most challenging of this bike trip. We are now 1.6 kilometers from the camp. I guess this day was one of the most uphill also, so I will check it later. Success! Conclusion: 42 kilometers today with 1242 meters gain elevation, which is the record of this bike trip. Now we are leaving the Sierra, so I guess it was the last mountainous day until Portugal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. Do not hesitate to share, to like and to comment. Thank you, Jesus, for the shortcut of today. And I see you for the next video.